student, today we are going to see Maths online class. The topic of the lesson is numbers. Do you all remember what we studied last year? We learned to write numbers, number names, groupings, short form and expanded form of two-digit numbers. Now this year we are going to learn numbers, comparing numbers, even and odd numbers, ascending order and descending order, greatest and smallest digit number, addition and subtraction, more about three-digit number. Number sequence up to 1000. Numbers starting from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9 are one-digit numbers. Numbers from 10 to 99 are two-digit numbers. 99 is the biggest two-digit number. 10 is the smallest two-digit numbers. Now we are going to see place value for the underlying digit. First number numeral 296. In that 9 is in tens place. That is number name of the underlying digit is 90. Second one 296. 6 is in the place value ones. Then 296. The underlying number is 2. Then 2 is in 100 place value. Then last one 196. 9. The underlying number is 9. Then the place value for the 9 is tens. The next heading we are going to see is skip counting. Skip counted in ones and skip counted in twos. Let us see one example for skip counted in ones. First number we are having 10. The next number will be 11. After 11, 12. After 12, 13. After 13, 14. Then the last number is 15. The next one we are going to see counted in twos. Skip counting between 62 and 72. First number they have given 62. Then the next one is 64. The next number 66. After 66, 68. After 68, 70. Then the last number is 72. Next heading is odd numbers and even numbers. First we are going to see about even numbers. The number ending with 0, 2, 4, 6, 8 are even numbers. The number ending with 1, 3, 5, 7, 9 are called odd numbers. Next we are going to see greater than symbol and less than symbol. See the picture here. The picture is fish. In the first screen you can see 8 number fish. The second one we are having 3 fishes. Then 8 is greater than 3. Then we write 8 greater than 3. The mouth should open towards 8. Next one 91 is greater than 49. Which is the greater number, 91 or 49? Yes, absolutely correct, 91. So we must open the mouth towards 91. Look at this side. 3 fishes are there. On this side we are having 8 pictures. 3 is smaller than 8. We write 3 less than 8. Then the mouth should open towards 8. The next one, 27 is smaller than 40. We write 27 less than 40. Then the mouth must open towards 40. Next side heading is ascending and descending order. Let us see the numbers 111, 112, 113, 114 and 115. When we write the numbers from smaller to greater, we call it as ascending order. When we write numbers from greater to smaller, we call it as descending order. Let us see a small example for ascending and descending order. Let us see first ascending order. The numbers given here 235, 213, 238. First we must arrange this one in ascending order. Ascending order means from smaller number to greater number. Which is the smallest number here? Is 230. The next small number 235. The last number 238. Very good. The next one we are going to arrange in descending order. Descending order means from greater number to smaller number. Which is the greater number here? Is 238. Next number 235. Then the last one 230. Yes, very good. Next our side heading is ordering. We are going to find smallest 2-digit number and greatest 2-digit number. Same way we are going to arrange greatest 3-digit number and smallest 3-digit number. Consider the number 2 and 7. By using this number, we shall form the greatest and smallest 2-digit number. The 2-digit number formed using 2 and 7 are 27, 72, 22 and 77. In this number series, which is the greatest number? Yes, 77. And which is the smallest 2-digit number? Yes, this is 22. Similarly, we go for 3-digit number. Shall we take another 3 number? For example, 7, 4 and 8. By these numbers shall we form the greatest and smallest 3-digit number. 444, 478, 487, 748, 777, 784, 847, 874, 888 and so on. In this number series, which is the greatest number here? Yes, 888 is the greatest number and 444 is the smallest number. Next our side heading is addition. You know addition, no? Last year you studied in 2-digit number. This year we are going to study in 3-digit number. In addition, first we are going to see without regrouping, that is without carrying. Look at this example sum. Add 342 plus 515 plus 12. Yes, arrange in proper order, that is 342. 2 in 1's place, 4 in 10's place and 3 in 100 place. Next number 515. 5 must be in 1's place, 1 must be in 10's place and 5 must be in 100 place. Last number 12. We are having only 2-digit 12. Then 2 must be in 1's place and 1 must be in 10's place. Yes, now we must add from ones place. 2 plus 5, 7. 7 plus 2, 9. Yes. The next side we are going to tens place. 4 plus 1, 5. 5 plus 1, 6. Then step 3, we are going to add hundred place. 3 plus 5 is 8. Then the total is 869. Next one, we are going to see addition of 3-digit number with regrouping. Regrouping means with carry. Let us see one example for regrouping. Add 556 and 194. First number is 556. 6 must be in ones place, 5 must be in tens place, and 5 must be in hundred place. The next number is 194. 4 must be in ones place, 9 must be in tens place, and 1 must be in hundred place. Let us see addition. We must start from ones place. 6 plus 4 is 10. The answer is 10. So, we must put 0 in ones place and carry over 1 to tens place. Then go for the tens place. Now we are going to add in tens place. 1 plus 5 is 6. 6 plus 9 is 15. Then 5 must be in tens place and carry over must be in hundred place. And last we are going to add hundred place. 1 plus 5 is 6. 6 plus 1 is 7. Then the answer is 750. Children, now we are going to see about subtraction. Subtraction of 3-digit number without regrouping. Without regrouping means without borrowing. Let us see one example for this subtraction without regrouping. Subtract 213 from 735. 735. 5 must be in ones place, 3 must be in tens place, and 7 must be in hundred place. Yes, similarly 213. 3 must be in ones place, 1 must be in tens place, and 2 must be in hundred place. Yes. Now we are going to subtract from ones place. 5 minus 3. The answer is yes, 2. Then subtract tens place. 3 minus 1. Then the answer is 2. Last one, subtract in hundred place. 7 minus 2. The answer is 5. So, the answer for this subtraction is 522. Now, we are going to see subtraction of 3-digit numbers with regrouping. Let us see one example for this regrouping. Subtract 386 from 724. You know how to arrange the numbers, no? Yes. Now let us go straight to the subtraction. Step 1. Subtract in ones place. In ones place, we are having 4, 6. Can we subtract? No. So, we are borrowing from tens place. In tens place, we are having 2. Then the 2 becomes 1. This 4 become 14. In ones place, we are having 14 minus 6 is equal to 8. Yes, in step 2, we are going to subtract tens. 1 minus 8. Can we subtract this one? No. So, we are going to hundred place. The 7 become 6 and in tens place 1 become 11. 11 minus 8 is 3. Yes. Next step we are going to in 100 place. In 100 place we are having 6 and 3. 6 minus 3 is 3. So the difference is 338. The last one we are going to see is estimation. In estimation, the sum and difference of the two given number by rounding off to nearest tens and hundreds. Let us round off these three numbers, that is 17, 24 and 25 to the nearest tens. You can see the picture, no? The scale. Yes. Here we are having 17. We can see that 17 is between 10 and 20. But it is closer to 20 than 10. So 17 is rounded off to 20. The next number is 24. 24 is between 20 and 30. But is closer to 20 than 30. So 24 is rounded off to 20. The last number is 25. 25 is between 20 and 30. Yes, but it is exactly on the middle part. So 25 is rounded off to 30. So we can easily estimate the sum and difference of any two number by rounding off them to nearest values and adding or subtracting them.